I'm about to show you how I make these lids that I threw fit the casserole, and right now the lid is bigger than the gallery. It won't fit down in. It's too big. And I've just taken a tape measure and measured it, and it's an 1/8 inch too big, which is exactly what I thought it would be. So I've set up the Giffen grip with raised grips that'll hold the knob very tightly. And then I've constructed, this is a piece of laminate disc, and it has a smooth surface here, which allows me to put my hand here and hold this down. Now what happens, and it doesn't have to be perfectly centered, it'll run true enough. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tool right here, which is a tungsten carbide wood scraper, and I'm going to shave a tiny bit off and then round it a little bit. Then I'm going to stop. And because this Giffen grip makes it so easy to take the pieces in and out, watch. I can take it out after I've shaved a tiny bit, and it almost fits. It's really, really close already, because I'm going to take an 1/8 inch, which means a 1/16 of an inch on the outside perimeter. So that only turned about a half dozen times when I trimmed it. So now watch, I'm going to take I'll take another little shave off right here. And I can see I'm getting just a tiny bit of material removed at a time. And I'm going to begin rounding this again. It has to be round because that's the shape of the place it's going to sit. I'm rounding it, and that's why I left it extra thick, because it gives me some room to trim. And now I'll take this back off. I'm going to turn it upside down and put it on here. Oh, and it's perfect. It just sits in there perfectly right now. Okay, so that's the step, and that's how you would trim these to fit the casserole exactly.